day, everybody. My name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to my online English class. Today we are learning about figures of speech. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today we are learning about figures of speech. We've already learned about 3 types of figures of speech. So let's recap. We said number 1 is comparisons, and these are used to compare 2 objects, animate or inanimate, in direct or indirect ways. Then we learned about number 2, which is sound devices, and we learned that there are letters in a sentence that make special sound effects. Then we learned about number 3, which is contradictions, and we learned that these are figures of speech that appear to contain conflicting or opposing ideas. Today we are learning about number 4, which is exaggerations and understatement. So under exaggerations and understatement, we are learning about letter A, which is a hyperbole. And hyperbole is an over-exaggeration not meant to be taken literally. So a person uses a hyperbole when they are exaggerating and it's not supposed to be taken as reality. It aims to create humor or to emphasize a point. So we use a hyperbole when we want to make fun of a situation or to point out a certain thing in a situation. So here's an example. The teacher complained that she had had hundreds of interruptions that day. So number 1, in a class session, there can never be a class session that can last long enough for a teacher to have hundreds of interruptions. That can never happen. So this is a hyperbole. Hundreds of interruptions is a hyperbole because this is not literal. It can never happen. And then we move on to letter B, which is litotes. And we say it uses a negative plus and a positive to understate what is intended. So in a litotes, we use a negative as well as a positive to make a point. Here's an example. He is no Einstein. So he is a positive and no Einstein is a negative. So when they say he is Einstein, that's a positive. But because there's a no, he is no Einstein, then that's a negative. So this is litotes. He is academically weak. That's what it means. And then example number 2, the gruesome sight was far from pretty. So gruesome sight already tells us it's a negative. And pretty tells us it's a positive. So this is a litotes because it means that it was ugly. Thank you everybody for attending today's class. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.